Hi everyone. Today in this video we will learn about Midjourney. In this video we will try to create some logos for our brand Rise Windows. To do so we need to type it in detail on Midjourney to get the exact image what we are looking for. To do so, in Midjourney, you have to type /, then imagine IMAZGINE, and then press spacebar. Then it will take it as a prompt. In prompt, we have to describe our video description along with few details which we want in that video. One of that for example, I have written make a logo for Rise Windows with Windows 11, high definition and 4K, and press enter. Midjourney will take some time to process the request and make the desired logo or picture you want to make Windows Midjourney. Now, as you can see, it has produced 4 options with the desired logo, but there are still some unwanted features you might find in that logo. So to make that correct, we can add more related information for what we want. We have to add that information in the prompt in Midjourney, and Midjourney will process the same and will provide with the refined images or logo. So I am adding make a logo for Rise Windows YouTube with Windows 11 high resolution, high definition, and press enter. It will process the data and provide us with the images or logo in some time. As the percentage goes up, it reflects that this much percentage of work has been done from the Midjourney. When it refreshes as per the percentage, the value and the quantity of the images improves. There are many features given on an image. As you can see, U1, U2, U3 and U4. These are known as upscale 1, upscale 2, upscale 3 and upscale 4. These upscales the image and their resolution and quantity as per the given figures. Below that you can see version 1, version 2, version 3 and version 4 for any image. These denominates the version of an image which Midjourney provides as per the data given to the Midjourney. Now, as we can see, we have get the images, but they are also not as good as we requires to be. So what we will do, we will give Midjourney another input to make the logo or image better with our imaginations. The more details we provide to the Midjourney, the more beautiful the image will be in our edge outcome. So now we will make some changes in our input to get a different image from Midjourney. We are going to use make logo with laptop with a face of hacker, high definition, virtual machine, virtual engine, and 4K. This will process the data input given to Midjourney, and as output it will provide us the images. It takes some time to process the data given by us and then deliver us the image as per the data provided. Midjourney provides 25 trials for any users at no cost, or you can say free. After that, you have to purchase the Midjourney subscription to get the latest, or you can say unlimited projects, or you can say images. These all are the images of people's working on this Discord on Midjourney. To log in into Midjourney, you have to create an account on Midjourney as well as Discord also. As I'm using Midjourney on Discord, when logged in successfully on Discord as well as on Midjourney, you have to send request on one of the Discords, or you can say threads from the left side, which is named as newbie 125, newbie 155, newbie 185, or like this. When you send request to these threads and you get the accepted it by that thread, then you can work on the Midjourney platform. You can easily save the image that you have made by double clicking on it. It will open in the pop-up window. Then right click on that and download or save image as on your PC. What is Midjourney? Midjourney is an artificial intelligence art generation service that launched in mid 2022, and you have probably seen the images floating around the internet. Midjourney is an AI image generation tool that takes inputs from a human, usually through text prompts and parameters, but also other images, and use a machine learning algorithm trained on a huge amount of image data to produce unique images. Like most machine learning models, Midjourney can be a bit of a black box. As you can see on Midjourney, there are many creators who are producing their work and making a beautiful art here. You can also use Midjourney to create your own art as per your desired imaginations. Midjourney is going to change the art resolution in the future. The color combination and the technology used in Midjourney is superb. It makes images and arts very beautiful and attractive. You can change or provide the Midjourney about your images or your art, the resolution you want, the color scheme you want, almost all the aspects of image you can change as per your requirements by giving the right input to the Midjourney AI tool. Now, as per the input, the Midjourney has provided us with the art given on the screen. Now, as you can see, that we are going to download the images provided by Midjourney on our PC. And this is the final image which we made for our Windows logo for our YouTube channel, and we will download it on our PC. That's all for this Midjourney. Hope you like it. Like, share and subscribe. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get our latest notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.